Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and most up-to-date way to share your Telegram channel's QR link, so anyone can join with just a quick scan. If you want to grow your community, or make it easier for people to find your channel, this is the method you need. Let's get started. First, unlock your device and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Next, head to your channel. You can find your channels listed in the chat list or under your profile. Tap on the channel you want to share. Once you're inside the channel, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see your channel's name and picture. Tap on either the picture or the name to open the channel's profile page. Now, here's the key step. Look for the small QR code icon. It's usually located near the top of the channel info page, right next to your channel name or picture. Tap on this QR icon. Your channel's unique QR code will now appear on the screen. Telegram often lets you customize the look of your QR code. Try out different color themes or styles to match your channel's vibe if you like. When you're ready to share, tap the button labeled Share QR Code. A menu will pop up with all the sharing options. You can send your QR code directly through Telegram, email, or any other app you prefer. You can even save the QR code image to your device's gallery, making it easy to post on social media, or add to flyers, websites, or presentations. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made it super simple for anyone to join your Telegram channel. No more copying long links or asking people to search for your channel by name. Just share your QR code and let them scan to connect instantly. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who want to make the most of Telegram's features. Stay tuned for more tips on growing your community and making your digital life easier.